Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on software update. So let's start the video. To fix this issue, force restart your iPhone and no data will be lost by my method in today's video. Any bug causing stuck will be fixed. So press volume up button, then press volume down button. Now press and hold power button until Apple logo appears. Do not power off iPhone while doing this process. Hopefully, fresh reboot will fix any software issue on your iPhone and no data will be lost. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.